buddy. The gentleman is has an acquaintance who the hospital claims you can help. Ready, fuckos?
I'm ready. Wait.
Help! Help me!
I'm all ready. Oh, I want that one. I'm a mechanic now. Where's
Now
my
I
mouse?
have double hacker speed. Where's
Y'all
my
are lame.
monkey?
Just go through the wall. Don't go through the wall.
Don't go through the wall.
Don't go through the wall.
It's a trap.
You know, this is a really bad idea.
Hey Jack, come in this bush with me.
Don't be in this one.
Wait, what do you mean?
Don't worry. Just don't expect a thing. You'll never see me. Alright.
I'll just get out of this book inconspicuously.
Yeah, same here. Don't mind me.
You can't do that.
Shit. Ah! You can't bother me. I'm out.
Come in here.
Bed.
Say,
You see this bed right here? Yeah.
Let me push you, Pop.
Yeah, you need this door unlocked. I got you. Alright, let's go. Oh my god! I thought you already had it unlocked.
I thought I did too. I was
You
like,
almost got it.
I was
Hold on, I
like,
gotta
do
hack.
it. I'll hack it.
Hacker mode activated.
Hacker mode initiate. Oh shit.
Oh,
I
buddy.
touched it. Oh, vitamin Schlackenplan.
Ah, the Stuven. Patching up.
I'm just a loyal servant.
Don't mind me. I'm just an observer of the Dark Lord.
Don't mind me.
Hey, I found where I'm
Only
supposed to go.
an observer.
I just walk here.
Hack.
Excuse me, sir. I have to use this ladder.
Hacking the system.
Hey, what's up? Let's just go up this way.
I wanna go this
Okay.
way.
I'm gonna
Don't worry, he doesn't
hack
know I'm here.
this, don't worry, they'll never see me coming.
Oh, hi there.
Oh, hi.
Alright, this is lame, boys. I'm going straight through. I'm hacking the Matrix.
I'm hacking the stairs. Get in.
Hacking the
Oh, he has a gun.
Me idiot.
Excuse me, desk.
Look at my. Oh,
No, not that way.
this one.
Oh. I just popped my arm in a good spot.
Don't worry, he doesn't know it's me.
Tell me why the mole is like broken as fuck.
Cause he's easy. Watch this.
I need me a new costume. Hey,
Oh,
guard
I want-
uniform,
I want
baby.
that.
Ooh,
Let me
wait.
kill this guard. I missed.
I heard of like a Metal Gear ass sound.
Money. Look, another hacker.
Oh,
Wait, I want to be the hacker man.
I want to be Hacker Man.
No, I'm the hacker man. Fuck.
I want to be Hacker. You can have.
Oh, I'm getting beat.
Oh fuck! I gotta run over there to do it. You did.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I'm in too
Metal
deep.
Gear.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Hey,
Hold
stop!
on.
Hey, stop! Hey,
Got it for
hey,
you.
guys!
Don't worry, you can't hit me if
Relax.
I'm invincible.
I missed.
All right.
Shit, I missed.
All 70 of you, relax, okay?
Alright, this game is easy. Look at this.
Rien qu'un chat, sans doute.
I'ma just.
It's not easy. Oh, I'm probably gonna die.
Je te
No, I'm
tiens.
good.
Arrête-toi, voleur.
Wait, where are we supposed to go? I'm confused.
Fuck. You just go in here and grab the guy.
Rien qu'un chat, sans doute.
Hold on, I'm breaking these guys out of prison.
I'm hacking the prison.
Wait, I have to grab the guy?
I mean, I
Alright.
could have been him, but I was gonna give it to Jack.
Bet. Watch this.
It seems to have fallen. Don't worry.
How are you launching it? Jack, grab the hacker. Do it. I'll hold them off. Oh, I don't have a gun.
Il y a quelqu'un qui...
Open the door.
Oh my god. Alright, just run. It's over
I'm the
now.
hacker.
Je te tiens.
I can break things better than you can lockpick them. Let's go. Oh, I gotta break this guy out. Alright, let's go. I'm dead.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I broke this guy out and he stabbed me. He got me with the oldest trick in the book.
Bisous, tant pis.
Bonjour, mes amis.
Bonjour.
Ew. Why does it make that noise?
That's your heart.
He's just gonna let me do that to you.
Oh, I gotta break through.
Uh-oh. Alright,
Oh,
boys.
crap.
Use the crowbar like a weapon.
Okay, bye.
Don't these guys
Get the
suck.
fuck out of here, boys. Do we just go down or?
Ah. He's hurting me.
I think we're
Oh
just
my God.
supposed to leave now.
Alright, I'm just gonna leave. You guys suck. I'm out of here.
I'm getting out of here. Booking it.
Fais tuer.
Oh, there's a helicopter landing zone right over here.
Oh, that guy. Oh, I'm asleep.
Excuse me. Hey. Hey.
Oh, pro moves. I fucking suck. Dig.
This guy has like a crossbow.
They don't see me.
Wait, oh my
Wait.
god, I didn't see you.
What?
Wait, guys, come back. I broke the prisoners out of prison. They killed me. These are the things
You
I
just don't
get.
Excuse
see me.
me. I gotta go this way. Gotta.
Arrête-toi, voleur.
Excuse me. Sorry, I gotta.
I broke a wall. Yeah, stop spitting in my mouth.
Fucking kiss you on the lips any day I want.
Je te tiens.
I mean, I guess. What is this? What am I doing? Oh. Let me hack it. Hacked. Let's go.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna die again.
Oh, sorry. Oh! I didn't mean to inconvenience you.
Oh, he doesn't know it's me.
This is the most chaotic. Ow.
Rien qu'un ch... Je vais te tuer.
Don't worry, this is easy.
Il y a quelqu'un
I'm
qui-
asleep.
Wait, you're dead again?
Ah,
I am.
he's hitting me. Don't worry, I got him. I got him. He can't. He doesn't even know it's me. Alright, let me heal. Oh my god,
What the fuck is happening?
Là,
I'm dead. He killed me when I was healing.
je vais te tuer. Rien qu'un chat. sans-
Oh.
See a damn thing.
Are you both hackers? What was that, Jack?
They didn't see me, it's fine.
Damn them. Jack's the pro stealth god.
I gotta stealth it up now. My stealth game's off. Stealth mode activated. Let's go. Bad guy.
Fucking got him.
wait, you dick!
Shoulda went under it.
Stealth mode activated. Let's turn off the lights. Power off. Let's escape out of here.
Let's get out of here, boys.
Oh wait, there's the escape.
Caleb, come
That
on.
was perfect. The
That's
last
not the right.
And we were still 2 minutes shorter on this one than the last one.
It
Alright,
took
now
us
we're-
20 minutes.
Now we're getting into uncharted territory for me.
Where's my boy? Oh god, I'm glad I'm not voicing the hacker because
Oh my god.
my
What is this?
my
Squeak
dyslexia
Freak's
will
got
not.
your servant. What in the fuck?
Quiet your service.
Geek Squad at your service.
Is that like fucking Geek Squad? This is your help you spoke of. Hector was bleeding. Who's gonna be the chick?
I will.
Caleb, you're a beautiful woman.
You is your you stop.
What is that?
Baby.
Who is it, baby?
Oh, what's good?
Oh, I feel that we might be dealing with an enemy that cannot escape. I forgot you.
Yeah,
You blonde or Thailander.
Wow.
you're going too far with the army.
No, I love it. His name is David.
The man who detonated my ick.
My yeah.
His name is David.
Yeah.
E. David E.
David E.
Oh,
It's David.
Shall we say equity in a number of global organizations. What the fuck?
Interpol has a Baluya. Interpol is Baluya Yakuza.
Interpol, Yakuza?
Kazuya.
Giant Baluya.
In addition to the CEO of the target security firm here in Monaco, Securitech.
Securitech?
Securitech HQ will have voted the four of you.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
And your associations with me will be placed in, oh no. On David's enemies list. Oh no, that's not good.
Enemy list.
I suggest we get into Securitech right now. And erase any of the record of our association.
Delete star, dude, star.
Delete star, not star.
Start.
So that you can retire with true anonymity.
Anonymity. Infiltrate Securitech HQ and erase any security cam footage with the crew. You ready, fucko?
No.
Better be.
Oh. Atlas Boogie. I can't hack the car.
Hack the car.
Hacker.
Use an EMP causing a rolling
I
blank.
didn't know that was
Oh, this is easy.
Come on, you gotta use your eyes. It's not the very first game in. The very first game.
I can't break through these. Uh-oh, boys. This may be the end for me. Oh, wait a minute. I could just...
Hey, that isn't real.
Holy
Hey, you're not real. Hey, nothing here is real.
Oh, bad guy. I think I'm in for it now. Oh, no.
Hey, fucking dude!
Going to street level, boys.
Don't worry. This is easy.
Uh-oh, you're getting focused on.
Like it never even happened.
Fire the laser.
Fire the laser. Come on, boy. Alright, let's go. Speed on.
I'm just not gonna go that way.
Why not? Do you want to go straight through the level? Hacking the system.
Hacking the system, boys.
How hard are you hacking?
Hacking pretty
You
goddamn.
absolute ass.
Ah, he hit me. Why? Come on, boys. Don't look at me. Get him. Hack him. Hack him.
There we go. I think the system's down in here. Give me a suit. Alright.
Don't look at me. Why are you in here?
Hey there.
Hi there.
Oh, if you hold down long enough, he flushes. I gotta get in on
Let's go this way.
I missed.
What? I have a suit. How did you do that?
You're breaking all the rules. Stop.
They don't suspect a damn thing. Oh shit, my suit wore off. It like just wore off. Please don't hurt me. I'm in the bathroom. I'm pissing. Wait. Oh damn.
How you dead? What are you doing? Are you both dead?
I tried
Master
to do that
stealth.
same thing when he fucking walked in.
Don't worry. Wait.
I'm a master of stealth.
Stealth mode. I can't break this desk.
Oh, I'm
What?
just shitting. Holy fuck, you can just shit. Oh my god.
Wait, I wanna
They
see.
let me because of I had piff.
Wait, I want to see. Where are you?
Oh fuck. Don't see me. I'm John. I'm pissing. Go away.
You walked away.
Nigga.
Hey, that's not funny.
Hey,
you
money
guys aren't
bags.
fair.
I'm breaking them out of you.
they alerted of my presence? Yes, they are.
Ooh, where am I gonna go? Ooh, where am I gonna go? Ooh,
You
where
don't
am I
see me,
gonna go?
I'm just pissing. La, 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 la.
Where am I? Ooh. That's right. I'm not here.
Oh wait, we're trying to go to the second floor, right? I broke through a wall to pee.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Oh wait, you're dead.
I died.
Well, looks like it's all up to me.
Alright, Caleb.
You know, this game would be a lot easier if I was just like going behind people and snacking.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
snacking
What are you
everyone's
gonna do? Huh?
necks.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You fucking ass.
Jesus.
Doesn't know what's going on yet. Oh, I can't break through that. Oh, he has a gun. Don't worry, you'll be. Oh.
Oh, ce n'est rien.
Excuse me. Don't worry, you'll never know.
Get in there.
Ah, easy mode. All right. All right, I'm going.
For the rescue, for the rescue.
We got.
I'm right next to this bush, so if you could get into the bush and just like chill out, you should be fine. Oh, there's a
No,
guy.
please. Yes. Easy. Can I?
Break through the walls there. Just go right and then go. What?
What the fuck?
Oh, okay. I thought you were outside of the map.
Let me hack this real quick. Oh wait, that's not fair. Let me hack it anyway. Yes.
But you threugh the wall, though.
Oh no, boys, this may be really bad.
Oh, no.
Get up! Get up!
Oh my god.
no.
Get in there!
I can't see what's going on up there.
Get out
Oh,
of there! No! You go!
Oh, shucks, we
I
died.
had to go, man. I couldn't hold it.
Justice served. Continue.
Yeah, wait, I don't want to be this guy. It's mole time. Skip. Skip.
Skip.
Skip.
Go.
Skip.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to catch up. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
You obviously haven't played any Resident Evil 5. Oh wait, there's a
I
bad
don't
guy.
know.
What the-
All right, don't worry, guys. I know the way. Follow me.
All right, I'll follow you.
Just
Wait.
walk this way. Just. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. It all turned off. It's not even real anymore.
I'm scared, guys. I don't know where you guys are.
Hacking. Hacking. Oh,
Hacking.
hacking.
See? They
Hacking.
don't even know we're here.
Hacking.
Hacking. Hacking.
Hacking.
Hacking. Oh. Oh, stop that. Stop. Hacking.
No, go up.
All right, good hack.
Hacked. I gotta
Consider
hack through this
yourself
wall.
Hacked. Oh, I gotta go down. Not that one.
Hacked. Hacking the camera. Hacked.
Garde! Garde!
Man,
Hi.
do
Hi
this.
there.
Don't get through.
Da-da-da. Hacking.
They don't know.
Hacked.
Il y a quelqu'un?
They've never seen me in their
Alright,
life.
we're going to the second
And
floor,
going
right?
Underground. I'm going underground. Wait. Or is that where we came from?
That's where we came from. Come on, up
Ah,
here.
Over there.
Over here.
They don't even know I exist.
No, over here. What are you doing? Go back.
I saw that money though.
I don't care. Money's dumb.
What the fuck? Oh.
They don't know I'm here.
the way.
The moon knows the way.
Follow the moon.
Guys, I just hacked my way to the second floor. See you later.
Dude, same.
Y'all
I'm
really not
hacking.
trying to tell me the mole is broken as fuck.
The
I'm
mole's
hacking
kind
my-
of fucking broken.
I'm hacking my way to the second floor. We got this storm.
Bypassing all fucking.
We gotta go this way.
I'm in. Move in.
Hacked. More hacks through walls.
More have good wall hack.
I have wall hacks. Wait, what am I doing?
I don't want to go through that.
Wow, there's 4 people in that room.
That looks
I'm
like
not
death.
gonna go there.
Caleb, don't do that. That looks like death.
Oh!
Caleb, don't do it. It looks like death.
Death is on most side.
Caleb, don't do that. Oh, never mind.
Wait, no.
Oh.
Here, let me hack behind him. Let me hack this desk.
Man, I wish I was the cleaner instead of the lookout. Nope.
Okay.
You didn't see me. Oh, you about to see me. Go the fuck away. Alright.
Mo is spotted by hackers.
Mole spotted.
Uh-oh, there's a bad guy up here with me.
Just gonna.
Wait, where'd you all go?
I'm going to the things.
Just gonna.
Oh! Oh my goodness, where am I?
I'm a security officer. I promise.
Oh, I'm gonna shut off the lights. Alright, boys. I hacked the system.
Hello, Mole.
Hey, he turned the system. Oh, he's coming.
Caleb, break through wall! Caleb, break through the wall!
Don't worry, this is easy. Watch this. I'll just hack the system again. Never mind.
Caleb,
Hacking the
sucks.
system.
Oh, never mind.
Where's the last bit?
Up my booty hole. Come on, let's go.
Oh, I was that low on health, I didn't even realize.
Are you dead?
No, I'm not dead.
Oh, no.
I was like, I had like 2 bars of health. I was like, what the hell? What in the hell?
Who's in here?
Thank God for the
Whoa!
gold bar.
Oh my god!
Consider yourself hacked.
Help, they're hacking me. They're hacking me real good.
Oh!
Hold on, I'm hacking the computer. Who killed this man?
Goodbye. Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm just sort of running around. Don't worry, these guys don't even know what hacking is.
Not that one.
Guys, I found it.
He has a
It
gun.
was a safe.
Oh my god.
It's all the way over here.
Oh, no.
Oh my
not
god,
like
never mind.
this.
That wasn't the objective. Where the fuck are we going?
Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go around the map. You could join me if you want. The Mo knows the way.
Oh, no way.
I turned into like a Ugandan knuckles for a second. It says escape. It's like flashing escape.
Oh, it says escape.
Okay, I guess I was looking for we were looking for the trophies. Then I did it.
Qui va là? Je vais te tuer.
No, it was me.
Caleb.
Here, I got you. I got you. This way.
Caleb.
Don't worry, I'm in a bush. You
Don't
can't
worry.
see.
J'étais pour toi.
I'm at street level.
Oh wait, we're escaping?
Yes, we're escaping because it
Get the
says
fuck outta
escape.
here. Yeah, nigga. You said that before I did.
It's time to escape.
Let's get the fuck out of here, boys.
Alright. Escape mode.
Oh wait, don't worry. No, I can hack it. I mean,
Nice.
Wait, I'm just
There
gonna
you
hack
go.
my way
Hack.
to the escape.
Consider this bitch hacked.
oh no,
Hacking my way to the exit.
oh no,
Extreme hacking.
oh no.
Hi there, Jack.
What are y'all doing? Why don't you just come with me all the time?
Hi there.
You know,
Marty?
that's a good
Alright,
plan.
you guys suck. I'm out of here.
Especially when we're escaping, that's a good plan. I'm gonna just do that.
No.
Yeah, we did it! Good job, team. We only missed 76 coins.